Guys, do you know what all the connectors can be used in OET writing? Let me explain to you. There are two types of connectors. One is simple connectors and another one is complex connector. So what comes under simple connectors? And, but, because, as, to. So these all are the connectors can be used in a simple form. And what is complex connectors? However, although, even though, therefore, for which, and you can use additionally, subsequently, and consequently. So these all are the connectors can be used in our OET writing. If you want to know more about it, where to use and how to use, subscribe Quality OET.